From deep inside the mind of PDCP, let us take a trip to the hood of made-up stuff, a whimsical place where pals will be made and harsh lessons learned.
Amelia.
Reynaldo.
Lisa. JT. Corolla.
Vespucci.
Willow.
Camilla.
Palz.
Father Jose, S.A.
Alfie.
Karen.
Robin.
And Cody.
Man.
Good Penis. Slick.
Cayenne.
Goldsworth.
Goto-sama.
Lone Star Chests.
Jimmy 49.
Dubs.
And Bowtie Billy.
Yeah, ha ha ha, imagination, homies.
Chapter 18. The Hood and the Rebuilding. What did I do? It's been a few months since my potty mouth caused the destruction of the hood, and golly gee, I have been in a lot of trouble. After my dad took me to the garage, my bumper was so dented that I thought my airbags were going to deploy. Ow. The people here in our hood don't like me anymore. They call me names, they hurt my feelings, and make me feel like I should just end up in the scrapyard. But I've made it my goal to make them all smile again. Yay. Even if I'm frowning, because that's what Mom says I need to do. Wonderful! The people of our hood have come together and are rebuilding their homes. They're rebuilding their lives and moving forward without loved ones, all because of my potty mouth. The cussie's destroyed so much, and now, very soon, the mayor says I'll be going to every house in the hood to say that I'm sorry. The only thing that saved all of us from destruction was our creator PDCP and his pals, along with that scary cat thing. Without them, our world just wouldn't exist anymore.
Live from the heart of the hood to the hood of your heart, broadcasting from the Hood Dome. It's K-Hood News 9 at 9 with Amelia Potts and Reynaldo Hoopsalute with JT Moneyball on sports and Lisa Golden Showers with the weather outside. We start tonight with breaking news.
Good evening. I am Reynaldo Hoopsalute.
And I am Amelia Potts.
We come to you tonight from our newly rebuilt studio after the Exhaustmas Massacre. And let me say, not broadcasting from the parking lot is refreshing. My father put much money into rebuilding our broadcast home. Thank you, Daddy.
This is an optimal setup. Clean, efficient, and ready to bring the news of the day to you. Wow. As a result of our hood's recent tragedy, Mayor Goldsworth announced today the punishment for the naughty little exhaust mouth who got us all into this mess to begin with.
That is right, Amelia. The mayor announced today via press release from the ruins of City Hall that the young naughty boy will be forced to go door to door to every home in our hood and apologize while helping family rebuild their homes and bury their dead. And let me say on a personal note, I will be making his little bottom work very, very hard. Now we hand it over to Lisa Golden Showers with the weather outside.
Hey, Ray, we have a chance of sandstorms today. Oh, don't get too sandy down there. Oh, no.
Informative as always, Lisa. I will be sure to wear my sandproof breeches when I go outside today. Now, let's check in on sports with JT Moneyball.
Well, Amelia, get this. There was this guy on the World Cup thing, and he kicked a ball into the net, and that team won. Yeah, sport!
I am personally cheering for San Marino. One day they will have glory. Well, that wraps it up for us this evening from our freshly rebuilt studio. For Amelia Potts, I am Reynaldo Hoopsalute. Good evening.
Thank you for watching K-Hood News 9 at 9. Now stay tuned for Donkey Dealers, the show where high-stakes poker is played on the back of a donkey.
Boy, the mayor said you need to get your little banged-up bumper out there and start apologizing.
Yes, sweetie, it's the right thing to do. I never thought a child of mine would have a body count of 528.5 from having a potty mouth. I always told you you have to speak nice and positive to everyone or bad things would happen, and here we are. Do we really have to count the 0.5, Mom? Really? I said I was sorry. It's important to count everyone and parts of everyone. People die when you use profanity, and that's just the way it is. Aw, man. How many people even live in this hood anyways?
That's for us to wonder and the Census Bureau to find out. But you'll be definitely visiting the important ones who occupy the first minute or so of this show. Now get going.
Hello, Miss Potts. The mayor and my parents say that I have to come help you with whatever you need and apologize for being a potty mouth. I'm sorry.
When I came home, my poor cats were running around everywhere and didn't get their treats on time. 3 hours late. You have really inconvenienced me. Wow. I need you to feed my cats. All 73 of them.
Yes, Miss Potts, I will feed all of your cats. They hurt and they're scratching my paint. Get them off! Hi, Mr. Hoopsalute. I'm here to apologize for being a foul-mouthed sow, as the mayor called me. What can I help you with?
Ooh, you filthy little beast. You did me wrong, boy. I am very, very angry. I had a date with Lisa that night where she was going to jingle my bells. And do you know what happened? She had to go and buy a new wig and canceled on me. Do you know what blue bells feel like, little boy?
Those things took my wig, my beautiful wig, and I colored it myself. I want a new wig.
I'm really sorry, Mr. Ray and Miss Lisa. I can go to the craft store and give you bells in any color if you want, if that'll help. And Miss Lisa, I'll get you a new wig at the Halloween store in every closed Kmart ever.
No? No, we are not going there. Just help me clean up all of this lubrication that is all over my walls and floor.
If you get me a wig, it has to be white. I need to color it myself.
Hi, Mr. Bootsy, sir. I'm here to apologize for, let me see here on my list, killing your brother. Oh my god, I killed my favorite rap star. Oh no!
No, player. Now you gonna die. Ain't no grief like a player's. Maybe I ought to slash your mama's tires while you watch. How would that feel, boy? Now get the hell out my house.
No! I'm really sorry, I promise. Mr. Vespucci, sir, Miss Willow, Camilla, The mayor has issued an executive order that I am to apologize to each one of you and tell you that I'm super duper really sorry for destroying our hood and making you all have a frowny face.
Giovanto mentere il sono parlo per indifferente. Questo evento mentrare ero impregnando il concoito il quella putanita cicella del bottino meteorologico mentre la desillusione piorava su tutte noi. La tua bocca soppoccia ha fatto cadere da gali scaffia la mia calalazon di Kasumazu e quello il mio formaggio preferito, determinante e porto creato sulla mia isola private ilato. Sarei promisio jet il peritlia per produrlo e per darmi un nuovo capriccio, capisco?
Yes, sir. I've always wanted to see Italy. That sounds like a positive yay!
Questo mio ragazzo non è un giro turistico, questo è lavoro. Deseavo e lavori tutto il tempo. E poi manda tua madre di me, in qualacimo lodo riservo.
My mom? What? Ew!
If Papa's request is honored, you owe me nothing. However, I will say that you made me miss my injection, and I grew a bit of hair back on my chest. Shame. Hiss.
Corolla, buddy, we've been pals for a while now, and while I fully support free speech, as well as what happened while Willow and I were in the bunker, you cost us time. And Mr. Vespucci's time is precious. If you waste his time, you can end up having bad things happen to you. I know you're young, but when you're an adult like us, those bad things are really terrifying and usually involve painful learning experiences. For me, I'll be sending you out to deliver a few packages, and I need you to understand that when you deliver for us, you must not ask any questions or speak at all. Deliver it and shut up, got it?
I understand, Camilla. I'll deliver whatever you want to whoever you want, just as soon as I get back from Italy making Mr. Vespucci's Kazu Marzu. I'm gonna have to Google that one. Father Jose, sir, are you here? Your name is on the list of people that I have to apologize for messing up their Christmas and killing their children.
Children, you say? I love blessing children. I mean, I really do. But in your case, I'm not quite sure how that would work. So Jesus tells me in my brain that I need to be forgiving to you. I want you to go out into the community and to every playground you can find and help spread the word of Jesus. And be sure to send the youth who want to learn how to pray directly to me. Oh yeah.
This Jesus stuff sounds fun. Yay! I'll be sure to send any kids that I meet right here to you, Father.
Oh yeah.
Cody, out.
Why, you filthy-minded, nasty-mouthed little hooligan! My souffle collapsed because I missed the oven timer and I was letting my viewers watch while we were at the festival. It's called Karen's AFK Cooking and it has 5 viewers. How many viewers do you have, you little foul mouth? None, I bet. Like, share, and subscribe, y'all.
Well, here I am to apologize, Mrs. Mann. And I'm sorry, and I hope you tell Cody that too. He looked pretty scared of me.
Well, look who it is. The little cock boy who messed up my lawn.
LD Man, you are fined $50 for a violation of the Hood Verbal Morality Code.
Ugh, I meant Doc. So much for that mafia Doc fixing my swearing tickets. The memories are forever and the fix was temporary. You see this grass, boy? It's brown now, and you're going to replant it seed by seed at the barrel of my rifle until it grows green again.
Yes, sir. I'm really sorry. I'm not quite sure how it'll work with me not having fingers and all, but I'll replant your lawn seed by seed. Sheriff Gun Penis, sir? I'm here to help out with whatever I can to make up for what I did and to tell you and all of the good lawmen out there that I'm really, really, really sorry.
Boy, I left my police car Lucille running so long because of your shenanigans that she ran out of gas. And because of that, I have to wait for a deputy to fill her tank. So you, boy, you're gonna be my police cruiser for this evening. Yup. And we're gonna put a cute little light on top of you and go out and deal some justice. Uh-huh.
This unit missed its training because of you. You will be this unit's weights today for lifting. It's time for a workout.
Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Oh!
Young man, the mayor is not making any public appearances, but your actions had consequences on him, physically and emotionally, so he is making an exception for you, and you are to report into his office now.
Do you see my face, boy? These implants make me less handsome, but they also make me more powerful than ever. And as your mayor, I am ordering the city services department to put brushes on the bottom of you. And once they do, you will go to every street in my fair hood and clean them one by one, boy, until they shine. 1,000 hours of community service we will have.
Yes, Mr. Mayor, I will sweep until my tires are bald. I promise. Mr. Lone Star, I'm here to help you with whatever you need, and...
That's Champion Lone Star chess to you. I was in the middle of a sick chess game at the park with some old man, and your drama caused the ground to shake and the chess pieces to fall over, and it messed up my game. I don't like having my games messed up by some kid. And don't even get me started about Jimmy.
You caused me to be recalled from Liechtenstein and lose my ambassadorship when my beloved Bella was crushed under some crappy van escaping from the mental hospital. Now I'm stuck here again, even after that heartfelt farewell from everyone. Boo.
Mr. Jimmy, you're back! But I hurt Bella, now I feel sad again. Oh, and now I feel happy. Yay! Oh, what can I do to make it better for both of you?
I hear that Vespucci fellow is sending you to Italy. I talked it over with him, and while you're going there, you're going to take a side trip to the Apuan Alps quarry and mine me some of the finest Italian marble for a sick new chess set.
For me, you're going to put on this collar and be my new puppy once a week. And we're going to go on walks. We're going to go to the park. And you'll help me fill the hole left by Bella's demise.
This is getting ridiculous. No, I have to make amends. I will get your marble and... Arf, 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 arf. See you on Tuesday, Jimmy. Mr. Dubs. Oh God, this is the guy who made me lick peanut butter off of his... Oh man. Oh God. I'm here to apologize and help you with, whatever... Oh God, whatever you need.
You ostrich, troglodyte, you broke me free from that nut farm, you sweet, sweet little car, and for that I am forever thankful. Ha 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 ha!
Okay, right. Mr. Billy, sir, are you here?
Indeed I am, young one, and I was told that you're here to make things right. And for me, that's going to be you going out there and advertising with signs and stickers all over yourself. Because the night you caused all that destruction, I was scheduled for a huge announcing gig, and that cost Billy money. And Billy doesn't like losing money to snot-nosed little brats with front fenders.
Whatever you need, I am your willing puppet. Because that's all I am anymore, and that's how it has to be, because I was bad. Ha ha! apologize to everyone. And through means that I'm not quite sure of, I'm here to offer my apologies and whatever help you need.
Homie, do you know how much of a headache I had during that whole mess? And do you know what it was like for me to have to work for that cat girl thing? Nah, PDCP ain't down with that crap. Go get your boy some headache powder, booyah.
And for me, I'd like you to find me some tastier chemicals for under the sink. So the next time we have to come visit you guys, at least it'll be yummy. Whee! Now I'm gonna go and give PDCP some neck rubs. It's kind of annoying, but he is my homie after all. Whee! Whee!
Now, my boy, go back to the hood, my creation. GC and I are off to international waters to get into some mostly illegal shenanigans until our season premiere. Stay tuned for The Tussle Season 5, homies. New name, same show, with more of us being gangsta. Booyah!
Ah! I really should have hit that squirrel just now. Nope, bad thought. And Mommy says to bury bad thoughts until they become happy actions. Yay!
Hey there! Your exhaust smells nice. Are you using unleaded?
Whoa, buddy, that's TMI, and this is wrong and creepy. I'm out of here. What is wrong with you people, darn it?
Eternal. Kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real. This life comes around.